Learning the ropes. Passive voice in simple present tense. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on English language learning. Our focus today is the passive voice, specifically in the simple present tense. This concept can be a little tricky, but don't worry, we will walk through it together, step by step. To begin with, we need to understand what passive voice is. In the passive voice, the subject of the sentence undergoes the action rather than doing it. It allows us to emphasize the action and the receiver of the action instead of the doer. In contrast, the active voice highlights the doer of the action. An example of passive voice in the simple present tense is, "The book is read by John." The structure of a sentence in passive voice in the simple present tense is subject plus am, is, are plus past participle, v3, plus, by plus agent. For example, the cake is eaten by me. Here, the cake is the subject, is the auxiliary verb, eaten is the past participle, and by me tells us who the action is done by. To convert a sentence from active voice to passive voice, you swap the object and the subject, and add the necessary form of be and by. For example, the active voice sentence, "I write the report," changes to "the report is written by me," in the passive voice. Here, I and the report have swapped places. Write changes to written, and we added is and by. We use the passive voice in the simple present tense when the action is more important than the doer, or when the doer is unknown, irrelevant, or implied. For example, French is spoken in Canada emphasizes the action, speaking French, rather than the doer. That's all for today's lesson on the passive voice in the simple present tense. Hopefully, you've gained a clear understanding of this concept and can now confidently use it in your daily communication. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep writing and speaking in English. See you in the next lesson.